In this video, we'll look at operations upon array. That is, first I will write on a function for reversing contents of an array. Reverse, it should take an array and it should take by address, so its pointer ARR. Then for reversing, I have discussed two methods. So first method I will follow, I'll take one auxiliary array. So for that I will take a pointer B. Then I need other variables like I and j, I will declare them also. The first thing is the array B should be of size equal to array A. So I should take the size of an array A and create array B from heap. So I will create array B from heap by calling malloc function. So malloc, this should be same as length of an array. We don't need size, we need length. Length is number of elements that we are having. Then the next is size of its integer type, so it is integer. Now I have an array ready. Now let us copy all the elements from array A from right hand side to array B. So for that I will take a for loop, like I starts at array's length -1 and j starts at 0. Then we'll continue as long as I is greater than or equal to 0. Then I minus minus and j plus plus. Every time in B of j, copy an element from A of I. This will reverse copy all the elements of array A into array B. Then again I have to run a for loop starting from 0 and I is less than length I plus plus. I should copy all the elements from array B to array A. So A of I should be assigned with B of I. Yes, this will reverse an array. Let us call reverse function here and then we will display an array. Reverse address of array. And next statement is display. So this function is called and this function will reverse all the contents of an array by using auxiliary array B. Let us run the program. We should get this array reverse. That is, instead of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we should have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes, the elements are reverse 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So this function is working. So once again, see, I have created a auxiliary array in heap. Then I have copied all the elements from array A to array B. In array A, we started from right hand side and array B, we started from left hand side. Then copying all the elements from B array back to A array. This is one method. And one more method I have shown you. So let us write a function that is reverse to second version. Reverse to, it should take an array by address. Now in this method also I need two variables I and j. So let us take those variables. And as I said, using a for loop we can exchange the elements. So for I assign 0 and j assign array's length -1, that is from the last index, and we should continue as long as I is less than j, and I should increment and j should decrement. Then every time we swap the elements, so already we have written a function for swap. In the previous videos I have shown you, the swap function will exchange the values. So this swap function will call from here swap A of I with A of j, and I should pass their addresses, so I should write ampersand here for addresses. So that's all. This will reverse an array. So let us call version 2 from main function. So here inside main function, let us call version 2, that is reverse 2. Run the program. Yes, it is also reversing, that is 65432. It's working. So this was about reversing an array. So that's all in this video. We have two more functions remaining, that is left shift and right left rotation. Similarly, we have right shift and right rotation. So you can try those functions by yourself. That is a student exercise.